The United States Ambassador to Zimbabwe, Pamela Tremont, has called on President Emerson Mnangagwa's administration to uphold democratic principles and ensure transparency, saying these are the values the Zimbabwean people fought for in the liberation struggle. Aiwa sarapenda mashoko ataona kuti aiwa the new ambassador to Zimbabwe anouya with a rift, anouya aiwa ane viva. Sarapenda mashoko ataona ndobva subscribe or like kuti on the bell icon tichipinda munigwa muchinzi. Tremont presented the credentials to President Emerson Mnangagwa at the State House on Wednesday morning, officially beginning a diplomatic tour of duty in the country. Addressing the media in Harare on Thursday, Tremont said the responsibility lies with the Zimbabwean government to uphold the rule of law and respect constitutionalism. She said, broad-based economic prosperity is impossible without strong democratic institutions, good public health, and regional security. The United States supports these things because they are critical elements for Zimbabweans to chart their future. Ndio mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa the new ambassador anoya achi-enforcer kana achi-encourage kuti aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe ngamuine the rule of law nekurespecta the constitution yenyika yeZimbabwe. Noda kuti ndozvaanokoshesa United States of America. Chimotodzai mafungiro enyu munoti kuri pamusoro mashoko ake haanotaura munyika yeZimbabwe triple state ayekuvaleta kwama-human rights aiwa nekuabhandonewa kwe-the constitution of Zimbabwe. Tudzai mafungiro enyu pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.